My name's Kurtis Lawrance. I own KTL Restorations. We restore Mercury Cougars and Classics. We got this car 4 years ago. It was completely burnt, so we restored it with BASF product from the ground up. We like using Glasurit because it's products that you have to use in between different ones. It's pretty much the same all the time. The customer support is phenomenal. If our jobber cannot take care of us, he will call a rep and he will be down there within a couple of days. Very hard working people to make sure we're happy with the product and we get the support on how to apply the products and use them.